Welcome to the Business Owner's Risk and Insurance Brief 2-minute edition, where we discuss risk and insurance topics that are relevant to business owners today. This is your host, Manny Ruiz, Agency Principal of Biz Insurance Only. Let's get started. Today we continue our series on business continuity plans, focusing on other actions to take in addition to creating a plan. This one pertains to your property limits and deductibles. This is an exercise you should conduct at least once a year, especially before hurricane season, to ensure the limits on your property policies are consistent with the value of the property covered. Your insurance agent should be able to assist in this process. But if that is not the case, here are some tips to help you identify potential issues regarding limits and deductibles. First, let's talk about property deductibles. Property policies may carry different deductibles for some insured perils. For instance, most policies will carry a separate hurricane or windstorm deductible, usually shown as a percentage of the limit of insurance. This one tends to confuse many policyholders as they think the percentage is applied to the loss amount, not the limit of insurance for property. You should calculate it beforehand to ensure you feel comfortable with the amount. If you prefer a lower hurricane deductible, there are companies that offer deductible buy-down or buyback policies, which can work in conjunction with your main property policy to reduce your out-of-pocket costs after a loss. The deductible that applies to the other perils covered by the property policy is called the All Other Perils or AOP deductible. Regarding your property limits, the first exercise is to identify if the damaged property will be valued based on replacement cost or actual cash value. The policy may include a combination of both, depending on the item covered. Then, review the current values for the insured property to ensure the limits are adequate. All limits and deductibles are clearly specified on the declaration page of your policy. Lastly, keep in mind that all insurance policies are different. Your policy may contain special provisions or coverage enhancements that may carry different limits and deductibles. Make sure you read your policy carefully to identify these items that are not included on the declaration page. On the next episode, we will cover some basic concepts regarding policy exclusions. Don't miss it.